The course contains 2 sections. I cover business to business concepts and the skills and the knowledge that students will gain through that section. And the next section is that students work on their portfolio, job portfolio, where they build their resumes, they build their LinkedIn, and they learn how to connect with local and even beyond local businesses. One business that has been working with us and they're always willing to put some time and talk to the students, the sales, the marketing team, is the Monterey Mushrooms, is Madisonville, Texas. Whenever I tell them that we're going to the mushroom place, they all say, oh no, mushrooms. This is 50% of the students. But when we go there and they sit with the team and they listen how the business was established and what they do and how they benefit the community.
From our side of things, we really love the opportunity to get, whether it be students, their faculty, really engaged in what we're doing, not only for the community, but for the agricultural, and in our case, the mushroom industry as a whole, and really kind of being able to tell our story. So really to kind of promote that circular piece of the economy that a lot of folks are probably not aware of when it comes to the mushroom side of things. Really hopefully opens up some doors or opens up some opportunities for more question and engagement with, whether it be, future folks who want to work for us or work with us, or future customers that want to eat mushrooms down the line. That's what we enjoy about having them out.
I would mainly recommend this class to other students because of the instructor, Dr. Abbas. He genuinely cares about his students and he's always outgoing and really friendly, whether it's inside or outside of class. This class has benefited me by sharpening my communication skills. In this class, our teacher and the students would ask many questions about the company or service that our team was working on, and many of these questions helped sharpen my problem-solving skills. Another big benefit was further learning of how to work in a team environment. We would divide our responsibilities based on strengths, and that would help us reach our goal.
Being in a class like this where you're required to work in a group, you figure out how to work with others. You learn things you wouldn't have learned elsewhere, and you get more confidence in yourself and your presenting abilities.